Well, hello, my beauties. You guys, look at this gorgeous day today. What better day to film a makeup brush cleaning video for you guys? I'm so happy you're here. Okay, let's go. Today I am going to be sharing with you how I clean my makeup brushes. So make sure you guys stay until the end of the video because I have a bonus little like surprise to share with you guys. It's not like a surprise, it's more of like, it's an item I found at TJ Maxx, but I'm going to link the same item below. It's just amazing. Okay guys, so this is just a rundown of what we have here. So we have the dishwashing soap and the pad from Amazon. You don't have to use the pad, you can just use your hand. We have the It Cosmetics brush bath from Ulta, and then the makeup brush cleaner from Cinema Secrets, which we will use with the machine that I bought, and I will link some others below. We will be cleaning 3 of my makeup brushes. So we have my powder foundation, my blush, and my bronzer brushes. I did just clean them last week, so they won't be as dirty as they were in the last video I tried filming. So the reason we want to clean our makeup brushes is because Staph, Strep, and E.coli can form on them if we go too long without cleaning them. And just think about it, you're going with your brush into your makeup and then putting it on your face, which has oils and sebum, and then you're putting it back into your makeup a lot of times, and then you just keep doing that same process. Over time, buildup can occur, and if you are having breakouts or if your skin is frustrating you lately, this may be one reason. So make sure you clean your makeup brushes. I don't clean them as often as I should. I'm going to try to start doing better, and actually I filmed this video about a week ago and it didn't turn out, so I'm filming it again. I am going to show you the easiest and cheapest way to clean your makeup brushes, and that is just by using good old dishwashing soap. I just keep it on my sink in this little container, so I'm not lifting that heavy 50 ounces of soap. And then you combine it with this pad that you can buy on Amazon. But basically what you do is you add soap to your brush, and then these little nubbies here help to clean all of the grime off the brush. And I think this ran me about $5. I think it was $4.99. You do not have to get this. This is just something that kind of adds extra tension to the brush to get it clean. So I will clean one brush this way using the pad and regular dishwashing soap. And then I have this It Cosmetics brush bath. You can only find the brush bath at Ulta, but they have a similar one online by It Cosmetics that's called just something a little bit different, and I think it's pink. It's like a pink liquid. But what you do with this is just spray this on to your brush, and it says it instantly dissolves any makeup on your brush and dries quickly. So you just spray it onto the brush and it dissolves any makeup. And then you just use a paper towel and you can tissue off any residual makeup. So this would actually be something good to use maybe once a week or every day if you wanted to, because it does dry quickly. So there's that. And then the final and most expensive option, but the one I actually really like, I have this machine. It's kind of hard to see right now, but I will, here, I'll take it apart for you. But what it is it's a clear bowl, and it is by StylPro. And I actually got mine at Costco, but you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link below for everything. So it's a clear bowl. And again, I don't know if you can see in there, it's by StylPro, and it's just plastic, little bowl, and it comes with a lid so that all the liquid stays inside. It comes with these, which what that is they're little rubber holders that your brush handle fits into. So you find the one that fits it, you put it in there, and then it holds it. And I'll show you guys how to use this contraption. And then it comes with the StylPro wand, which is actually what moves the brush around inside this bowl. It comes with its own solution I ran out, so I had to go out and buy another one, and I've heard really good things about this one. This one is Cinema Secrets. This one is Cinema Secrets, and it is their makeup brush cleaner. This one is kind of pricey. This one is 4 fluid ounces. I think it cost me $15, so it is kind of pricey, but you guys will be amazed at how clean it gets the brushes. I've used it once, and you can see I've only used a little bit. Okay, so I have 3 brushes to clean, and since I just cleaned them last week when I filmed my last video, they're probably not going to be that dirty. So we'll see what happens. So we will start with using the pad and just the dishwashing soap. So this pad actually comes with a suction cup on the opposite end. And what that is so you can just suction it to the bottom of your sink, and then it doesn't move around. So we'll do that. So it's stuck onto the bottom of the sink. And all you're going to do is take you're going to run your warm water or your hot water, however you want to do it. And you can I'm actually going to move it down a little bit. Oops, now it's not going to stick, of course. I'm actually going to stick this closer to the drain so it's easier to get the warm water on it. So you just run your warm water. One important thing you want to note when you are washing your makeup brushes is you never want to hold them like this with water on the brush, because when you do that, the water from the brush runs down into the wooden handle, and that can ruin it and cause it to break down, and then your bristles start to fall out. So whenever you are working with cleaning your brush, you always want to hold it down, so that way the water doesn't reach this part and it just runs down. So what you are going to do is just put a little bit of soap on your brush, and then you are just going to move it around on your pad and see the makeup that's coming off of it already. And again, this is just a week's worth of makeup because I just washed these last week in my video that didn't turn out. So you just do this for maybe, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds I used to do it for. And then you're just going to rinse your brush one time and see all the makeup coming off. Hold it over that, get some of the makeup off the cleanser pad. Okay. And then just kind of get off any residual and give it one more rinse. And just squeeze it out a little bit until the water is running clean, which it is. Give it a good squeeze, and then we will put this one to the side. And don't go anywhere, you guys, because I'm going to show you guys how I dry my brushes also. So I'll put this one to the side. This one's clean, and we will move on to using the It Cosmetics brush bath. So the brush bath does have a bit of a smell to it, so if you are sensitive to fragrance, you might not like this one. I would probably suggest that you use the dishwashing soap method. Okay, so we'll take our next brush, and we are just going to spray on some of the brush bath. So all you do is you'll spray it on and just kind of give it a few sprays and just kind of let it sit for a moment. And then what you're going to do is take a paper towel and just rub it like so and see all the makeup coming off. And this is actually my blush brush. The last one was my powder foundation brush. So that's why this one's a little bit more pink. But see all that come off? And that's only a week's worth of makeup. And the brush does dry pretty quickly with this method also. So you have all that, and then I'll flip it over and just get any residual off of there. And we'll do this side. And then there you have it. And then that one's pretty clean, but I'm also going to show you guys how I dry my brushes. So like I said, don't go anywhere. So now I'm going to show you the third method. And this is the most expensive only because you do have to buy this contraption. The StylPro I think is $30. You might be able to find like a a dupe on Amazon. In fact, I think there are several dupes, so I will put them below as well. So what you are going to do with your last brush is you are going to first take your rubber holders. So you want to find the one that's going to hold it really well. So this one seems like it's going to hold it, and you just pull it off. And you are going to attach the wand to it. And so it just holds your brush like that, see? And what you are going to do then is take some of your Cinema Secrets, and you're going to put just a very little bit at the bottom of your bowl, because this goes a long way. So just like that much. You don't need a lot at all. And you can add water to this also. So I am going to add just a little bit of warm water to give it just a little bit more in there. And then all you are going to do is take your handle and place it inside the container and just let it I move it around for just a second. And then you're going to flip on the on button here, and it's going to spin. So I'll see if you guys can see that. See? And look at all that makeup it's taking off. And you just want to hold it just a little bit above the bottom of the bowl so it's free to spin. And then when you think it's clean, I think it's clean. It only takes a few seconds. You lift it out. See that? And it's drying it. It's going really fast. Drying it, and then you turn it off. Turn it off. It slows down, and you just lift it out. And there's your clean brush. And voila. Okay, so then you just pop it off of there, and you have a nice clean brush right there. So I'm going to show you how I dry my brushes. Don't go anywhere. Hold on. I totally almost forgot about my little drying brush contraption. So I got this off Amazon, and it comes flat. So it comes folded flat, and what you do is you put these two, the stand, you put those two pieces together to make the stand, and then what you're going to do is just pop the top on top of it. And these little rubber crosses in there, they hold your brush. And remember I said you want to make sure that you dry your brushes like with the bristles down. You never want to dry them this way, because again, the water from the top will leak down into the wood and it will destroy your brush and your bristles will start falling out. So you want to always dry your brushes this way. And so you just find the hole that will hold it, put it in there, and that's it. So you'll do that to all of them. That'll hold that one. And then we'll put the other one on the side. See? So you just want to make sure your brushes dry that way. I usually let them dry overnight. So I do my makeup in the morning like I always do. And as long as I don't have any plans that night, I'll wash my brushes when I'm done doing my makeup quickly. And it only takes maybe 5-10 minutes at the most to clean these 3 brushes, usually from setup to clean up. And yeah, like I said, that's the second time in a week I've cleaned my brushes, and I've probably used this, I would say 5 times, maybe not 5 times. So maybe I clean my brushes every 3 or 4 months, something like that, because I haven't had this very long. So yeah, realistically, every 3 to 4 months I'll clean my makeup brushes. So then tomorrow morning when I wake up, they'll be nice and dry, and I can just do my makeup in the morning with nice clean brushes. Oh, I did want to show you this thing that I just bought, and I had one of my girlfriends use it, and this is kind of like a bonus feature of the video because I want you guys to stay to the end. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys that item that I found at TJ Maxx the other day. So this is it. So it is, sorry, I don't mean to blind you guys. It's a mirror. It's a 10x mirror, and it has a LED light on it. You guys, it's amazing. You just, if you have something in your eye, it gets so close and you can see everything. I love my 10x mirror that I have here at the house on my, it's it's not working right, that I have on my mirror. I love, love, love this thing. It shows everything. I'm constantly looking in it when I'm doing my makeup. But to have this in my purse or my makeup bag, I just love it. You can just, like I said, get right up in there and you can see everything. Like I have little black things of makeup on my face that I would have never seen looking into like my regular mirror. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And it fits perfectly into my little makeup bag. It's not that big. It just fits right in there. And oh, and it has, if you guys wanted to, it has little suction cups on the back. So if you wanted to, you could put that on a mirror. This would be great for camping. I can't tell you guys how many times I woke up in a tent from camping and I'm trying to do like my makeup, of course, and I couldn't really see anything. This would be perfect. Or even just for quick touch-ups before you go into a restaurant or out on a date. But yeah, I just thought it was really cool, and it's a pretty rose gold color, which is one of my favorite colors. So, all right guys, thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate your support. And if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate you coming back. I would love to have you be a part of joining me in my videos every week, hopefully. And if you like this video, please hit the like button below so I know what kind of content to produce. And if you have any suggestions, oh, I actually got this suggestion from one of my good friends, Liz. So she was saying how she would like to have a video about cleaning makeup brushes. And so thank you, Liz. I really appreciate that. Put down below any comments you have for future videos. I have a lot of ideas, but I don't know if people are interested in certain ones. Anyway, you guys have a great, great day. And thank you so much again for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Bye. I just thought how perfect to film a makeup brush cleaning video today.
A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came.